We now find the linear approximation of f of x equals cube root of 1 plus x at x equal to 0. So we find this using this linear approximation equation given by L of x approximately f of a plus f prime of a times x minus a. So here we see that a equals 0. So we can rewrite this linear approximation equation by replacing a by 0. So therefore this becomes L of x. This is approximately f of replace a by 0. So it becomes f of 0 plus f prime of 0 times x minus replacing a by 0. We get x minus 0. And so this is written as f of 0 plus f prime of 0 times x minus 0 is x, so it is just x. So this is the linear approximation equation, and here we should determine f of 0 and f prime of 0. So first let's determine f of 0. We obtain f of 0 by replacing x by 0 in f of x. So f of 0 equals cube root of 1 plus 0, and so this equals 1 plus 0 is 1, so it is cube root of 1, and cube root of 1 is 1. So we found that f of 0 equals 1. Now we have to find f prime of 0. For that we find the derivative of f of x. So I copy the f of x, and this equals I can write this in exponent form, that is 1 plus x raised to the power of 1 third, because cube root of 1 plus x is 1 plus x raised to the power of 1 by 3. Now we can find its derivative, that is f prime of x, and this equals here we apply the power rule first, that is we put the power in front and then multiply the 1 plus x raised to the power of 1 third minus 1. And then we apply the chain rule to find the derivative of inside part, which is 1 plus x. So the derivative of 1 plus x, and this equals derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of x is 1. So it is basically 1. So I multiply with 1. Now let's simplify this. So here we have f prime of x, and this equals 1 third times 1 plus x raised to the power of 1 third minus 1 is negative 2 thirds, and this times 1 is the same quantity, and this can be written in positive powers as 1 third times of 1 over 1 plus x raised to the power of 2 thirds. And so this is the derivative of function f of x. And now we will find f prime of 0 by replacing x by 0 into the function f prime of x. So we plug in x equal to 0. So therefore this becomes f prime of 0, and this equals 1 third times 1 by 1 plus 0 raised to the power of 2 thirds. And so this gives 1 third times 1 plus 0 is 1, and this is 1 raised to the power of 2 thirds, and 1 raised to the power of 2 thirds is just 1. So 1 third times 1 is 1 third. So we found that f prime of 0 equals 1 third. Okay, now that we have found f of 0 and f prime of 0, we can plug it into the linear approximation equation. So therefore we get L of x, and this is approximately equal to f of 0 is 1 plus f prime of 0 is 1 third times x. So this is basically equal to 1 plus x by 3. Therefore we write the L of x. This is approximately 1 plus x by 3. And now we can use this linear approximation equation to approximate the value of cube root of 1.03. So we write cube root of 1.03. This can be written as cube root of 1 plus 0.03. So basically this is in the form of 1 plus x. We already found that the linear approximation of 1 plus x equals 1 plus x by 3. So for determining the cube root of 1.03, we consider this 0.03 as x. So we have to plug in x equal to 0.03 into this linear approximation equation to determine the value of approximate value of 1.03 cube root. So let's do that. So therefore this becomes L of 0.03, and this is approximately equal to 1 plus replace x by zero point zero 0.03, and this is divided by 3, and so this is approximately equal to, we can divide this by 3, we get 0.01. So it is 1 plus 0.01, and this is approximately 1.01. This is L of 0.03, which is this is the approximate value of cube root of 1.03.